over. It's over for the buying. It's time to sell. Coming up into crazy resistance right now. Top of the hour. Just took out the high of the week. Coming up on this big contention zone up here. So I'm selling all the way up into here. All the way. Just scalping this right now off that top. And that was, here's a 5-minute chart. So we exploded out of that bottom. That was the pullback. That was the entry after the, this was the feudal zone here. This is where I fell out of bed. And then typical auction Friday. When you fall out of bed like that, this becomes the new top, and that was the retest. And there was a more subtle retest here on this triple top here. And then it went exploding up because it was walking down this 1 hour channel here. We were walking down this thing, and just a complete killer, another one of those killer moves where market comes down, trounces all these people. The people that are long and know the trend's up, they have their stops in 1 day back, or 1 day back from here. So you can see the stop here on the if you go to the daily, you can see where their stop would have been hit. They're long, and they get they put a stop in, say, right there, boom, and this traps all the bears. That's a big bear trap. So I have to buy back here on this pivot here. Getting ready to buy back because of this top. But that was the quick dirty money this morning. And looks like I might have to calm down here, come back to this previous top. Right here, there's a double top. So if we come back to here, I scalp it and then leave these orders up here. So if it smashes back up in there, that's already preloaded to capture that. So as this comes back to earth, by the top of the hour comes, and if we can come back and retest this low, may not get a chance. It looks like it's really pretty pissed off from being depressed for so long. Of course, it's always dicey here, in this tight window. But definitely the top of the hour. I get out of whatever is in profits because it just seems like here's one of the robots. Actually, you're down almost 20 pips off the high if you got it at the very tippy top. Which I actually scaled into that because I love to sell the top. But it looks like I gotta get out now. Looks like we're gonna go up one more time. So now I'm gonna put more sells up there. If we get one more crazy move up there, I definitely want to sell heavy into that. But it looks like we're gonna keep going up. So I just scalped that top, and this thing's hell bent on going up another 60 pips today. I think we're gonna go right to the $1.15 today. Close up around there. I mean, seems like to me. Okay, we're still going up here. Just kind of poking through the last hour's high. Looking to stampede this. If this is the breakout, then you need some type of pullback, even if it's only 10 or so pips. So I've been just trading this climax on the 5-minute, but it just has that terrible look like it's just going to keep on smashing north. So I'm selling all the way up into that for the retracement back down. And, it's just this kind of fast money that's too easy if you're trading in a grid like this. Because that market literally has got to spike up there in the next half hour or something. And just like we spiked down earlier today, we got this nice spike here, total retracement back to here, then another 30 pip smash back up, then this long walk down. But here's the breakout point here, so logically you come back to, say, this breakout, and then it's going to be one of these boring consolidation things where it's going to take forever. Okay, so it's only the top of the hour come and gone, and we've climaxed here on the 1 hour here, dead on. If you go to the half hour, we've also climaxed, but like a doji up there. And this is going to be just scalp back to this. Hopefully it sells off 10 pips into the bottom of the hour, which would complete this 5 minute kind of head and shoulders-ish. Like if this is a shoulder and that's the shoulder right now, then this would be the head. And I guess if you did a perpendicular projection off of that, it's going to be like you're looking for the market to come back to here. But like I said, this thing's on a tear, and it gets very volatile when you're getting into historical prices here. It doesn't take much to nudge this thing into the weekly, which is just here. So if you go back, this is where we failed to take it out yesterday. They're sitting right at the edge of the abyss to the north. So you only got to go up 12 pips from here. So you just need... And then it's going to activate all my sell limits for the next 40 pips, because it could try to go after that today, but I don't know. That's asking a lot. After what we just seen, of course, Forex, that's, it's the gift that keeps on giving. It's, the overbought that keeps on overboughting as, your account blows up. So we're right at the critical pivot here on the 5 minutes. I just got my first black forming Akanashi there. That was only 10 minutes of entry here available if you're going to trade a breakout of a price bar. But this scalping thing just too much fun. Like I said, I don't have the patience to wait 5 months for the market to go through some up and down cycle. So this seems to be the answer. Okay, looking for it to come down 10 pips here, and I'll get out of everything I'm in right at this pivot, this last known top. I'm looking for a retest of this. So we're coming near my exit right now. It's only 5 minutes after the top of the hour. This could be the top for a while, but like I said, it's scary looking. It looks like it could come ripping back maybe 10 pips and then just go up north like a rocket ship. So this is like my exit about right now. Come pretty close. I can go flat at this point. And then, okay, getting out here. That's a retest of this low. Now I'm flat, waiting for it to fill me on one more smash through the top. See what happens. So that was the scalp at the top of that. It's about a 20 pips scalp. If you sold the tippy top of that, it's about 25 pips. Now it looks like it could get its footing, and this would be the point at which the on the 5 minute that the bulls think, oh, this is the pullback. I'm jump long. And just this other thing. Here's the news that came out. Look at this, ridiculous. This is the worst sentiment index, I think, ever, right? They give you a history in here, I think, to give you a little bit of a chart, maybe. But yeah, that's, just amazing. Just plunged. It plunged. The consumer sentiment plunged. So a big plunge there, and usually people are so optimistic, it's unbelievable. So that's pretty brutal news. Definitely good for the euro dollar, and then yeah, it looks like the bulls are going to come back to the game here now. So I'm just selling every time we go up, And this one I'm preparing for the end of the world in this broker. So if we go up into the nosebleed up here, that's everything's situated around the 115. And here's my, if we had pulled back earlier today, that was that projection. So riding along the top of this trend line here, this is the channel, the new channel that's intact, I suppose. Of course, it's kind of a wedge. I don't know if it's really a channel. You can kind of come up here with it and get this nice clean wedge here. But this is definitely the triangle that was the contention point, the apex of this triangle, which this is right where the bottom became a top and it rolled over. That was the new resistance, and we just cleared that. And this is going to be the big selling point would be right up at this double top. So we're only about 75 pips away. If we could get a crazy rally, of course, I don't know. That was quite a move. Now I think we could just go choppyville here for the rest of the afternoon, and it's kind of over unless we just one more push to the top and then just sell into that, and then it pulls back, and you're done. But certainly this explosion earlier, even on the 15-minute, had you just got in on stops during the all black, you're gonna fill. You never would have got stopped out, and you rode that puppy out of the this channel for an amazing blast. You even got a perfect on the 15 double top, becomes a bottom on the pullback. So had you run that trend line, and that was the channel it was coming off of. If you had another channel here, it would have been that would be the middle tine on the pitchfork, and then it looks like a possible pullback. But then again, 5-minute chart, always scary, the 5-minute chart, because look, it's just not okay. Well, now you have two buy stops sitting above here for an entry to go long. So if you want to ride it up some more, and not me, I don't want to get on this thing at this point because it could just come slamming back. But I don't think I'll be buying anything. I would buy below this. It's too late in the day to really think about buying, but I'd buy if it went 30 pips down here, because that would be a nice killer entry. This pivot here where this bottom is, double top bottom, didn't hold that this morning, and then this became the new resistance, and that was the new support. That was going to be the new resistance on this channel down, but that failed. So when it fails that hard, and it was falling that steep, it's usually like, wow. Okay, looks like it's posing itself for one more launch off of this bottom on the 5. Looks like if you're short, you really want to maybe cover in case we go up. And if you're long, I guess you're just a white knuckle trader. Like, just I wouldn't want to be long right now. I'd rather see it come back to a civilized price.